Hi everyone. In the last video we have seen like how to enable Agentforce agents in our org and how we can turn on Einstein in our org, and also we have explained that what is a prompt template. So in this video we will create one prompt template, and then that prompt template we will use to generate a professional description for the contact record based on some certain required field value. So for that, let's we now just click on this new prompt template to create a template. So for creating a new template, you need to just select the prompt template type. I want just field generation, generate contact description. Now I need to select the contact object and the object field also. So I just selected contact description. Now click on next button to come to the prompt builder page. Here you can see prompt template workspace. You need to define prompt here, and in the bottom you can see the preview, and here you can see the related record. Like if you want to preview your prompt for whatever you have written here, just select any of the contact and just click on the language, in which language you want to preview the prompt. So after selecting this one or this record, you will see the save and preview button to be enabled to check the preview of the given prompt. In the right side you can see the configuration for the template. So this is the model type, like this is by default selected as a standard. You can also select a custom if you have a custom model type. In this one model, like there are multiple model you can choose, but right now I'm just selecting this, the by default one, OpenAI GPT-4 Omni Mini, and there are some others thing that you can explore later. So let's we just providing the template. So I just written one prompt that generate a professional description for the contact based on the following details. So I already written one prompt that I will use. So that details we will select from here. Contact full name, okay, so you need to define the full name, and the job title, if the contact are having the job title, just check the job title. So there is no job title related to this one, so just removing. Let's check the company name, if this contact has. Company name also does not having, just removing. Let me check the other details. Email, I think email will should have email one. Email, yeah, we have the email, and the phone number also. Just select the phone number or mobile number. Acha, just contact mobile number, mobile phone. So with this information I have just provided. Now just select any of the related record, like this is the existing contact record and I want to preview in the English format. Just click on the save and preview button to check the preview of the required prompt which I have pasted, which I have added in this prompt builder. So just now you can see here we selected the Rosa Gonzalez, and you can see here the contact information of this contact record. So yeah, that's all about. So yeah, just I wanted to apply on the page, so just click on the activate, save as a new version. I think I didn't save this one. Just click on the activate. So now the prompt template has been created. Now it's needs to be added on the description. Okay, just come to here. Here you can see the description is blank. Now need to apply the prompt template which we have created on the description. So just come back to here on description. Just click on this field. In the right side you can see Einstein generative AI and the prompt template. Just click here. You can see we have created generate contact description. Just select this one. The prompt template will apply on this field, and just click on the save button to apply the changes. Check if it's activated for this org or not. Yeah, its activation is already done. Just close and back to the contact. So now once you click on this field, you can see this icon here, get Einstein help in creating this field value. As we have selected the prompt template, so this information will be, this field value will be automatically populated based on the provided prompt in the prompt template. So just click on this button in that part. Oh, something went wrong. So yeah, just again try to click on this one. Let me refresh once. So now generative AI is analyzing the prompt and it will be return a result. So just wait for that. It's taking time. So yeah, now you can see the contact information is generated. If you want to use, just click on this use button. So the generated response will be automatically stored in this field. Now if I wanted to save this information, this particular field, just click on the save button to save the required information in this particular field. So yeah, that's all about how to create a template and how to use field generation template in the record page of the particular field. So yeah, that's all about. Thank you.